Good evening, dear students. I hope that you all are happy, healthy, and fine. Today, I would like to inform you the Council reduced the syllabus of class 10th and class 9th also. So, let us see. As you know very well that the history and civics paper first divided into two sections, section A and section B. In section A, this is your civics. If we see that the chapter first, the Union Legislature, under this chapter we all would learn and discuss about the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, the term, composition, qualifications for the member of the Lok Sabha, parliamentary procedure, and motions, various motions are also adjournment motion, no confidence motion, censure motion, speaker and deputy speaker, election of speaker and election of deputy speaker. As same in Rajya Sabha, composition and qualifications for membership of the Rajya Sabha, election of the member of the Rajya Sabha, term and presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. These all are under the two important subtopics, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And the chapter 1, second, contains power and functions of Union Parliament. Power and functions of the Union Parliament. These all things are the chapter 1. Same as it is chapter 2, you know that the name of the chapter 2, Union Executive. In Union Executive, the President and the Vice President. In this contents, we will discuss about the qualification for the election of the President, qualification for the election of the Vice President, composition of Electoral College, reason for indirect election of the President, term of office of President and Vice President, and procedure of impeachment. These all are under the subheading of the President and the Vice President. Same in this chapter, one more contents here, Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. In Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, we all have discussed about that appointment of PM, appointment of Council of Minister, and power and function of the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. In chapter 3rd, the three branches of the judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court, and last topic is Lok Adalat. Same Supreme Court, we all have discussed about that composition of the Supreme Court, qualification of judges, and same as it is in High Court, composition of High Court, composition and qualifications of the High Court, appointment of the judges, Supreme Court, under Supreme Court, power and position and function, in High Court, power, position and function of the High Court. These all are discussed in the Supreme Court and High Court. And last topic is Lok Adalat, which is very important. Then in this chapter, in this content, we all discuss about the meaning and advantages of Lok Adalat. So these all things are the part of section A. These all are decided by the Council for the session of 2020 and 21. As you know, I hope that many of the students today meet me and asks about that, sir, chapter 1 complete, chapter 2 Union Executive, Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, President and Vice President also done, but so many query and questions also. So now tomorrow we again discuss about the chapter 1, revised chapter 1, and we also send a video for again revise the chapter 1, and tomorrow again discuss for the portion of section D for history, which chapter decided by the council in the academic year for 2020 and 21. So stay home, be safe, and be healthy. Bye.